Hey, sixth graders. It's Groundhog Day, like March, 77th? Something like that. I'm just gonna take you out here, have a look at my tater patch. I got taters coming up. They're coming up. And this stuff in the middle, that is spaghetti squash. I like spaghetti squash, but they are a terrible plant to try to manage. Their vines go everywhere. Hello, bird that's really loud. So we got taters all over the place. This side of the garden is planted in red taters, and this side of the garden is planted in yellow taters. Yummy. I like potatoes. We got a lot of them around. We'll go out here. It's cold, it's windy, so this will be a quick video. We will Zoom together on Wednesday for one last time. There's online stuff up right now. Online stuff. As you are looking at online stuff, please keep in mind, I'd love to see you do number 5, I think it is, lesson 5, because I'd love to see that letter from you to your senior self from your 6th grade self. That is something that we would do in class. I'd have you address your envelope, all that fun stuff. We're not going to get to do that, unfortunately. But everybody that sends that to me, that blogs about that on their kid blog, I will print that off, put it in an envelope, put it in my cupboard at school, and then in May, I will get them sent out to you. Back to the garden. We got some corn right here. We have, what did we plant here? Oh, we planted squash here. We planted butternut squash, and then the other 3 hills are acorn squash. We don't have anything here right now because this is where the veggies are going to go that I bought over the weekend. We have cabbage and we have sweet potatoes. We might plant some kale out here. We've got cucumbers right there. These are yellow and black zucchini. And then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 rows of green beans. Green beans. So there you go. It's cold. It's starting to rain a little bit, so I'm going to go back inside. I hope you have a good day. I hope you have a active day. And if not active, I hope you do something that challenges your brain a little bit. Because you know what? Online learning, it's not going away. If this virus hangs around, we get to go back to school on a computer. Not that I want to, and it's going to be required. The state of Iowa is going to require you to be logging in and doing your work. So as a 7th grader, you're not going to have that option of saying, nope, I'm going to blow it off. So you may as well practice this right now, because if this continues, you're only going to have to do it when it comes back in the fall, if it comes back in the fall. It's not going to go away, I can tell you that. Otherwise, have a good day. I hope, like I said, I hope you challenge your brain a little bit. I'm going to go inside and watch a YouTube video on Minecraft. I'm going to watch a YouTube video on my Raspberry Pi, and then I'm going to address envelopes. So, enjoy it, have a good one, and I will talk to you tomorrow. See ya!